In this era of dizzying changes, energy and environmental issues are being highlighted worldwide. We are entering an age of diversification with the utilization of IT, robots, AI, and globalization. Amongst all this, SMC has continued to contribute to the creation of a sustainable and better future by developing automatic control devices with the latest technology and the environment in mind. SMC is a comprehensive manufacturer of automatic control components. Our products support the transition to automation and labor saving in all industries and equipment. These components are supplied to countries around the world as an elemental and indispensable part of factory automation and therefore have a high global market share. SMC's main product line, pneumatic components, are powered by compressed air, which can be discharged into the air without issues. Pneumatic components are also an optimal and key component for automating assembly work that replaces human hands. SMC's pneumatic control system consists of air preparation components, air line components, directional control valves, and pneumatic actuators, providing a product lineup that accurately matches customers' requirements. Furthermore, our products are not limited to pneumatic components. SMC supports a wide variety of needs with electric actuators, temperature control equipment, various sensors, fluid control components, and high vacuum components. As a total, automatic control equipment system, we are working to solve our customers' problems. Our mission is to flexibly and accurately fulfill the needs of our customers all over the world. SMC has established technology centers as well as production, logistics, and sales bases in various countries. With the close cooperation system and synergistic effects that only SMC can provide, we are building a business continuity plan, or BCP, that enables support in the event of any unforeseen circumstances. For research and development, SMC has located engineering departments at the Tsukuba Technology Center in Japan, also in China, the United Kingdom, Germany, and the United States. By creating a global network, SMC can provide technical support 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. Product development is based on an eco-products concept for our customers. We are working to reduce CO2 emissions with smaller and lighter products, lower power consumption, and reduced air consumption. SMC Engineering consists of specialists in each field. These engineers are engaged in a wide range of research and development in a well-equipped environment in order to provide the same quality of technical services to our customers anytime, anywhere. Our production and logistics division started with 6 production sites in Japan. Over the years, it has expanded into a worldwide network. With this worldwide network, we can quickly respond to and provide a stable supply of products to our customers, whose needs differ by country and region. In addition, in order to deliver products with high quality, low cost, and short lead times, we've established an integrated production system in which all production is done in-house. We manage work instructions and progress online to improve production efficiency. Furthermore, in order to assemble base products, we keep basic component parts and sub-assemblies in stock. In this way, SMC can deliver products with short lead times by minimizing the assembly time. By reducing the size of our products, CO2 emissions have been significantly reduced due to the reduction of raw materials, reduction of material processing, work hours, reduction of packaging materials, improvement of transportation efficiency, and other methods. In this way, SMC is working to create an eco-factory. With the sales department, we have established local corporations and distributors covering the entire world. By establishing smooth communication with our customers, we are able to provide services and propose solutions that contribute to higher efficiency in energy conservation and CO2 reduction. We have taken the initiative in incorporating the latest technology and set up a sales support section in order to respond quickly to customers' requests. SMC participates in and holds many events around the world, including virtual activities such as exhibitions, factory tours, and showroom information. We also offer pneumatic seminars, demonstration vehicles, and other forms of customer support. We strive to meet our customers' requirements through high-quality sales such as the direct exchange of information and proposals. As a leader in the field of automatic control equipment, SMC will build a system that can respond immediately anywhere and provide BCP support to meet the needs of the world. We will continue to align the direction of each department in order to create an environmentally friendly and sustainable society.